Hi, welcome back to my channel. Before this video start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a free Google form. Now we open our Googles, go to the 9 dots, go to Google Drive, and then go to My Drive, click it, and then you see an option called More, and then Google Form. Select it. Wait for a moment. Okay, now what is the title? Say survey. Oops. Survey form description. Please fill it carefully. Okay, now this is number one. Search people name. Okay, name short answer. Okay, select short answers. Okay, if you want to add another question, add another columns, add questions, and then this, like say gender. Okay, option one, like male and female. Okay, yes, male or females, genders, and then add one more rules for contact numbers. Contact numbers still remain short answers, and then one. And what is your hobby? You press hobby, and then option one, reading. Okay, put back to all multiple choices. Option one, reading. Option two is streaming, and then you can add others, like okay, so that they can fill in it. Press others. Okay. Oh, still need something. Oh, I put to required, so they will miss it and out. They must fill it to before submit. Okay, now we are done. Well, now we can send it. Okay, send to the email to alliance@gmail.com, or you can just, I recommend you to shorten the URL. Okay, shorten the URL and then copy. Now we're gonna try it out. Gonna paste it here. Now we switch another account to try. Survey all must require names, answers, contact numbers 01239345678 Okay, this is up to you. Or be streaming and then submit. Okay, I don't think okay, submit. Now you can see it. Okay, now I'll go back to my drive. Okay, wait, go back to my drive. Okay. Yes, my drive, and you can see this no, go back to here, see responses. You can turn off to okay, to stop the response, turn back on. So you can see the response from here. Questions, let's say random name, another one genders, contact numbers. Oh, it's normal. Okay, individuals. See this. Thanks for watching my thanks for watching my videos. Then don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos.